Hi. In this video, I will show you how to download and install LibreOffice, together with Calc, on your computer. Open Google, or your favorite search engine, and search for LibreOffice. Click on Download LibreOffice. In the Download menu, choose your operating system. Click on Download. Wait until the download has finished. Click on the small arrow, then click on Open. The installation will start. Follow the steps in the pop-up windows. You may have to grant admin permission. Wait for the installation to finish. Open your desktop and double-click on the LibreOffice icon. An overview of the available LibreOffice apps opens. Click on Calc, and the spreadsheet will open. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.